How to fix Wix editor not loading is a common issue many users face when trying to access their website or make changes to it. To solve this problem, start by checking your internet connection, as a slow or unstable connection can cause the editor to malfunction. Ensure your internet speed is sufficient and try restarting your router if necessary. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies, as outdated or corrupted data can prevent the Wix editor from loading properly. You can do this by pressing Ctrl-Shift-R on Windows or Command-Shift-R on Mac to reload the page and bypass the cache. Additionally, consider using a different browser to see if the issue persists, as it may be browser-specific. Another potential solution is to disable any recently installed browser extensions, as they may interfere with the Wix editor. Try disabling them one by one to identify the problematic extension. It is also essential to ensure your browser is up to date, as outdated browsers may not be compatible with the Wix editor. If none of the above steps work, try checking the Wix status page to see if there are any known issues or outages. You can also try logging into your Wix account from a different device to rule out any device-specific issues. If the problem persists, you may need to reach out to Wix support for further assistance. To prevent the Wix editor from not loading in the future, make sure to regularly clear your browser cache and keep your browser and operating system up to date. By following these easy fixes, you should be able to resolve the issue and access the Wix editor without any problems. Remember to always check the Wix status page and seek support if needed, to ensure a smooth and efficient experience.